mistakes. Yes. Correct mistakes be awaye. Enye too late say obepacho. What would Musa adi we ya waye tia wo maami enye panacho. Adi we ya waye tia eyo papai enye meso enye too late pacho. Adi we waye tia wadanfo. Enipa bia ni wa adwumam wadanfo bia ni to anamo enoma bebre all over the place. What customers obi ani sanye obi asebi esonse bi anyado ye nkrofo bi onoma enkrofa ye yom papa ma wo mo de bon o mo mpo na mo adani cobra e wo mo abrabom. It's never too late. Yesi baby a wase nipa na duru wontimi nko ho enkoka papa emfa nu ho nanso konanim pacho na nipa no mfiri ne kremo mfancho o pacho mpo no se o me da mate on fancho penyankopon nim se wotu anamo things we chenye sa kofo bebre nyuma enkoso sa no ma no menkete nyambe tua woka onye da me no wabu me kwasia no me no waka asemu ato me so no anonso a edinchone edimeko no yese eka bibia eye ho enti wo twen den wo ma no me ato so ana da wo so 31st wa kogina so de ma bo winsema na so still na da wo so until on the 1st 2024 edi wachi to bobere bi enye ye asa wo fro na wate ahwe asa wo ku anim na wate ahwe bone kwasia buo na ma bebrebe be ma na wabu no kwasia na pa cho kan sempa bi chiro no wate oni sika hwe wa ma wabu no kwasia wiwie wasa chechira to ajamati ba churches money ka eye emodu ebo amada bia no wo ye from minu ama besie ama ma che minu di nkomo na mba fidie so mba ka enye me ho na teme minu ama se akosua me no wo ye made a me de ache wo nanso no wa no wo nye happy na wonam o se ade ba kwa ne febium ne se edu 31st na o ye audio na o pan crofo ache entwe ma 31st sansa do it now na fa san wo ho na no man tene emfama o te me nkwa sorry de bia na so me ye papa me ni pantamu ye kama enti de bia yakopon o hira me si ama yakopon o hira papa na also dey to sing wow ya live on Facebook me be me live me lines not to man pay me dey ma me bisa o say won pantamu o e dey na tete o e ya de bia me bia ahomatofo no tuma na me bisa o e no nche se me ho te me so waka enjoy ka wodu kokro mo tutu aba e de mampanifo se medie so anaso medi so na omunye no maye ma ode wo se ye kan kosisi wiase bese so bese so na de ama anya sa ye twen wo mo kokro mo ti power no bo mo kokko ka che mo se ye kwa no still awo ensi ye twen mo 2024 some can say you were short memory said you be kind na any short memory ye twen mo 2024 madam mama yensu mama yenkane a e ma se be so munye ya kwan ye twen mo ye guso kakai mo kakai abane ne mpanifo na ye nkoye nim anope me de me guso kai oboasefo MC oboase MP oboase me rekwakuku aten anope me dwana to anope efiso oboase kwan se me nam so ani wudru eye ya fuso kakra send am nana traffic etimi chi ho no mbisa boase mpanifo se MC ene mpanifo se momfa kwan no so bi makumase ana momfa ho e de kwesi se Pomposto Johnson before beto baby yegua ba be fi bare yegua be dru kakra medru ya foso no mbisa boase mpanifo MC ne miracle kuku aten se MP Obuasi East or Obuasi North I stand to be corrected se dia na moye enti ayam fe se free afosuo na eba junction ho no de ho aye ti ayam fe ana bibi nsi ansana mo be ginger all the V8 abesususu ana me question me what the mama no pe no e come aboasefo well maybe lines not some give me a call aye kwano pen come e be de ne sabeto dwa say mo chiremanfo mo nsusu na atoatua wo mo buafo wo mo so mo nya adwumi fi se COVID-19 bae no aban say enka odi o mala wan sisika bi ebema wo mo nti wo nya adwuma de mu odene wo mo aye adwuma ya sabi onipa wu a me semi kan sabi eso sabi nya wo mo de o be hye ye de ndie mu fridge mu a ye o ma ye be prepare ye o ma me no mienu ye sofunu ye sofunu Eso nsamanfo na so wo gina yesa adwuma we nyina na so aban hye wo mo bo no wani so sese wo matotua wo mo se wo mo nya adwuma biom ebeboa anase emwa de na de bebre Ghana man timamufo ene adwuma na hospitals ahodo ye betina se ye bedi ho nkomo anopai so ena eye special prosecutor ono so akasa de o kan nyina na se o se aban man kwa man nya adwuma o se aban man kwan but ma me we me ba ene nkomo no me de be ma. Hello, good morning. Me pa cho good morning. Hello. Anope mamu ma ye nko ne star. Mpa wa cho mamu ma ye nko ne star. Hello, good morning.
Asio da.
Yo, uncle wa pokenu e.
Nyamra demo, uncle is impossible.
Uncle is impossible. Number 1.
Yeah. Number 1.
Yeah.
Then I want to follow.
Nyamra dom uncle mo lo pale papale.
Yeah, then nyamra ke away and le sana bulu ko iya wiye na ya diazra nyamra ye imwa. Then now moy wo je ke ama je ke ne me ahon so pa le. Imara ke yen abo en yala batama. Na bugün yo be ba de la ona keka onye ugazo alekrewi muti fani nyane ba ndana dia maka nyane mvonye ekrimeli maka ala mvonye ekrimeli body biara oyere para ko marawo katemo na magwa ko nyinaze ikioko bazani a ofa anyeboro ofa oba na me ira pa en falumba ka vrai nyamne ba me kuti adana abdeni na me ira be nyamne ejuma
nyamne ira kwa lanka is impossible de o kan nyina ne se o sadia enya kura ne se oni obi betena se bio na wanya hwea anana se kura na enya ne munani mu ase se bio ne tena de o ye ma on kai osunkofo ebe ne nkofo tena na kwase ebuo bamu a na we gu nyonko ni mu ase de o ye na onka ena wa yese ena wa koye wei enso be hwe na nyesa enetie ne dia odi by motivation no ena obeka bi me da say uncle is impossible makomi kromo nzama aba. Hello, good morning. What's betimi afre ede ena wo so etete ewo wo mpotem anope na manu guso me ka say ena nkoma ebedi no emuode ne muode sebi son sebi enyaado eye special prosecutor aba bonten aba bekasa na ne nsamo kan nyina so se aba ma ne kwan e ma ne ni djuma o ma ne kwan ma ne nyina djuma kra ena say kata sehye ene proya ye baba kufu ado ka say obisi ano kwan no ma me fa ko wi ma. Hello, good morning. Me pa cho good morning. Me pa cho mentie wo ho wo phone so kasa me ho good morning. Okay, MCR for munyi free so wo frame me a wadaro makoto jobu form eya mentie wo ho e wo TV no so tie me e wo phone no so sane be ya obeteme nka ne wo lewa TV no e de amame me fa cause be mi no me nsabium. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. 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 Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cho din baby a wo frame me free.
Hello. Mama Diane.
Pacho yan kwa udini baby a frame me free wadaro ma sofuni ana
melekin de NOV kikam ofayima
ofayima wa poke kikam mama
na ma dum kikanya ma biara anwole pare.
Okay da ko mi ma ka ene mu abele free
o me we de wona mu aye foboko na mama dan no ya mu ke ansa na nyanya ba ka okuro yare anake onere badinara anebe mu no bi kuro ba ho ye ba kwa betina anake dodo ba ho kuti se da ni se pia ni senti mo ya dia na ka o se go duma anake ye ni nyam kuti na ni mo ko zara ona pare okay mo ya ni ye nzuna na ifechi
say, Uncle Ma, all the way from Kikam, who and Menia Jimmy Crum for Maya dear, most somebody about Yami Shampa Papa, is my for Becca most many be our Moleniamla, Bizabu Bash, Adron Boama, Papa Swazo being in a Mazimbro Farmer, and it can be our most many be our Bizabashi, we can supposed to meet each on. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hey, you know me like me down so when you miss so oh. Okay, so mama for last call and have you know memory fini me starting Ghana come on. Hello, good morning. Okay. Yeah, live Facebook, KOOWAA TVGH, live on YouTube, KOOWAA TV, Sam Darko's initiative, Sam Darko's TV, so you stream it live, and see, subscribe to your channel, na like your page, you know, comment it, na share, na afo front, so, and you be, and share, and pay, like our page. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me ba cho di ni baby our friend me free.
I come a social Azim.
Me ba cho man so kakra ye ntie wa no pay.
Good morning. Let's get hands on mana.
Oh, tender, macho voice and I dio. Manezuchi, mame, wadaroma.
No one about discussing the man, teacher called the lecana. Let's move them. Oh,
I can't hear her. I can't hear her. Oh my God. What's happening? MCR, is something wrong with my lines? And I said, on one end, Kasade, mame. Hello? Oh, unfortunately, oh my goodness. Ade, MCR, mama me volume, NSC, and I meant to she. Person me ni krom fo kase no mo balance so o mo mani age na so MCR na mo mo ame ana untimi me lines mo mamente. What is happening? Hello? Okay, went to me engine so is my mama nyamri yira be pa le me smell pure me ne half me pure me vi adoabo mungo school of brofu axim brofu ye mungo school moti oya menika ka oke mabe unke be dan ko be de ko woke nyamri ojrabe na oye bekpele mungo Mr. Bevel School St. Augustine Preparatory School ken ye Mongolia moti Mr. Bevel or the Azia misomai oye di Azia misomai 7 years no kwa media so rest in peace but I believe say and all come kunde you movie axim now me biza be say be dia ze come banamba kunde be Mr. Bevel na Mr. and Mrs. Bevel yeah axim brofo well never call be oh my God I'm speaking my language today yes me fa call be mpocho me konfu obi abela na da na okay obi ani so enti no me comment ma na star fancifo amohwe ye chiamo brakweku American pacho ye chiamo sister sini na maame ewo eye oboase me checha mu nyina central news for me chiamo me ofa John me chiamo me cha obia ewo oboase anope be kwaifo amohwe ye checha mu nyina asemfa programming endia grom maame nkodoma na me cha doma hene yes osia deyo ajema bedu the second Papa, me bomi mwase echiao madi nyina nyame onya okese na onto nkwanem osikoko so piao me yimi na to form amo King Solomon our beloved. We love you to the moon baby oh bia aso for 24 hey oh pambwe papa Michao papa nyankopon onyum fadomo enkwadomo my papa one papa fi achemeba I woni so for chief michiamo ene anope well ene enkomo ayebedi ene sabetodwa se mo chemanfo mo bofo wo ankasa wo so mala wan sister wo say edimo no jemfa ema o mi wanso no his excellence na dan kwakufa do e so mo bo COVID-19 abre I can say wo mabodwuma entini nka o musika bi ho no de ni nyina be mo mala wan sister mo ni ache no mo timi aye adwuma de mo odene na so no ene da sorry ya shebi wo mo buafo mo sisika no wo mo nsan kan ti no wo mo atochia se enya dia wo mo ebe ye adwuma na in fact wo mo anya adwuma ebe ye me no me no a yesuro sebi yesofunu yesuro obi kwa ne krachia pe yakoba ne kwa ne yem hyehye na sankofo nyine to mo hasi wo so ombe prapra omode ye be hye baby ombe kra yiye ombe den ye kan se mba me na whatever ombe sa no mani nyina e de amaye no afo mo sika kakra wo mo so ye mfa ma wo mo ama sisi o mo bo afu nti e be ye no empanifo atnase enche bia ye de nkomo twetwe no e be hyehye so stanso and a special prosecutor ono so akasa de okan nyina na say abama no kwa ma ne nye na adwuma if we say katasishe any prayer ya de nyina his excellency na do danko akufado ebetna abenya kese no so kasa no de mutimi fire corruption entwintwana na mu kra ti in fact no de mutimi kra eno nti ema neti eyi special prosecutor say obeba next wa odini ba besi won wa hwehwe Ghana yesika se bibia mu obi abe corrupt de enya de odo ho be chewo no baba say omakwan ema ne nye na djuma ye na so yete ha ena ye ramat na medu dada okoye no e kan se bio aban no ma ne kwan ema ne nye na djuma nti no wanya adjuma ne bio me ye de foforo aba sese foforo nso so aba be ka the same thing e de na ekoso nokra obi wom nokra bi nim aban ma ne kwan anono no ntimi nye ana sedie empanifo atnase ena no pay ma memrefie na me adorables the most handsome men enemenya omo ewo mi studios ha as usual Dr. E.A. Morrison or national communication team member for the NDC Mirampacho Akwaba oh ye dear Mato Frugunetia, you look awesome. Mammy Mira, the first time I think say Michiano in the Henry Dia Boatin or national communication team member for the MPP, former youth organizer, just Mira Pacho Apaba. Oh, wish I black and enemy because black is my color. Oh, yes, I need Ivana.
And me colleague back with that form.
Oh,
Obuasi.
Oh, it's
Meko Youth Employment Agency. Director.
Oh, okay. Oh, Kafra.
And then a did 1 week.
Oh, Kafra.
It was a cocaine.
We are now. May your Boasinio.
Oh, fine. Me war secondary school, so Madame for Pa, Namini BBA, so yeah. Obuasini, Princess Afoji.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so yeah, more teas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Obuasini.
And it's a Boasi for near Shisha. Wow, that's nice. Mira, no mama kwaba bio. Great. And then made him come on ever start so Mira, Henry. Maybe Mr. So you him say what is say much remain for Atwetia. On board for some allowance to see if I'm on.
Any number from him.
Bawati, I know.
Yeah, Matibi.
Okay.
But my name said National Labour Commission, so engage you on.
Okay.
Na baby, I was on what they asked him to be to be aware of my intention say on the court strike.
Okay.
Na year 29th.
Okay.
Which is yesterday. Into National Labour Commission. Meet you on I'm aware of the situation.
What would you say about it generally?
Said the Trokron Nekan. Say with my 4 Biaketia Essenono. I believe Semen so made a man over 2. Say Jumedia Ubia Edi in general, mainly metin to
Great.
Bia, what did you maybe was said it you Kabia indeed. And say Enka Omuni case. I don't think say Enka National Labour Commission ebe pese Omuni Omo Ibishia.
Okay.
Now more bobo. But the way I answer no air kono. Majidi say break on and ye be who issue no the way is it pa. This answer bra COVID. Buy and yes. Omo so ba mountain so be di adanse. And other health workers. And so be di adanse say. In fact, omo call bank no mo job market ya increment.
Okay.
Abem.
Oh.
Now we just say CCI engagement no ebe koso no e wo see when abreben na ade no so na eye obi be ka say a stop gap measure nti free pay slip so a na nya say e betena so afebo because na breach na abo we are seeing na Ghana so eye part nti frontline workers nyina no I believe said they were affected.
Okay.
And ni se beye omunkunwa in quote. You also hear jumedi a omudi edeboa omanchechire no a. Enye jumedi ketwa.
Okay.
And say yeka se jumakuo bi nso so ti atua na se omoko striker. I don't think that is the first time that bibisa easy. Sometimes increment be create me ba. Increment no abano now behwe na nyantiki effect their timelines are the my nyantiki effect we did say menua NDC ni we attest to the fact say President John Dramani Mahama was 12 labor unions and no market to yourself any omontin to hosem ekoye nchiwahyewa omuti atua na say Ghana yabakosem de the first time 12 labor unions can boom one say market to yourself omo allowances omo ntin to tie 2 ho nsem ni ade na nkonti most times ya na aban beba aban beko these are some of the things
but must we face these things at all
na me de to also say say me share me conversation ase no the Bible e kan say ojuma ni aketua ese no in fact sisi aboso mi aso and they are not saying so market you but conversation no nya market you na emma no we be allowance bia amo ene abansi nkunya and no expect say ebeba nti na nya omo nsonko a nse nche bia His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye pronouncement say 2024 there has been salary increment. I think 20% salary increment, 25% salary increment. 2022 so on my Jumaya for 30%. And then you know I'm also see a part of Jumaya for a work Ghana. So it's not as if on penny a yineni. I'm say yenuanomo a school for nursing trainees, teacher trainees. Nancy I'm come across on my allowance no Emma. But a buy ye dear. Just last week, Scano. This week, ya Sikano be to mono. Don't come in science. So I should say, more unions no best about one thing. So I be say in fact, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Mo born up no say, mo sika bi akemu no yem fama wo mo no. But allowances no. Oman penyi any finance ministry. Etu yaka no. Inti yen kakran. Yen so meti hoyi me gidi say e bia na me expect increment bi any ade for the first time say you can't 2 years abom na ban bia 2 akatiam over 50% bi si da e bi si Ghana hadaw and yen nuano mo ate atuen ana mo the intention say omo be cost strike no I believe so they will also be affected so 52% salary increment no ebe affect you nti ye kan nyina afua no na ma stress da bia no emfa ho aban kra ote akonya so na emfa ho dwumadi kra odi obia nkasa nsatien ni nyina enye pe na mum ni nyina so kabum na etimi ye adwuma etimi boa nti me so me de mano betum but I believe say His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo aban ye de oya aban a otie enu nti omo sin company labor commission National Labor Commission esin kunya no wia I believe say
all right let's hope say obey sa ede amaomo Dr. Dena Obeka
Oyima
papa
medals ni akwanya odi amaya no bai right answer na meba zenkaye no so no memfa akwanya isu na menchia agitrifo bia adobai o majibre ni adaji na o mu follow program yi tie for ni apefo the Dikan ye Miami Krum hine Nanata Namso number 1 Tia Rupai or Kankasa. Therefore, Anupai Yachiao that's it near Wadaja Waja Ohe, that's a brew. So boy, my mind, I'm so mine. Coswa Nanakupona on wow. Let us me know me uncle, your friend Karim Salif, or your assistant headmaster. And I'm so DA basic school. Minya Michawa no pay. I'm so was also ejina assemblyman. Passetia him grown. Boy, you know, papa.
Passetia carry.
I carry Passetia. And Team Passetia for Mutia, where the mestre moi. Montuma, Minya Bema. One woman with my bow, room for that. A hand with it, and Yamina, Messameka. Or boy, my pa, did he say? So, Mushan is any when Yamuna Mutumano or assemblyman, obey the chain, where the kind I am. Amamu. Na afi Miss Anchia, Mr. Suleiman Abu Dodwana friend Rantia also was standing for unit committee so electoral area. Sorry, yes, MOVAG, Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana.
Yeah.
I say one day. Beduma atu hono eba ne say a omo se aban ene omo ani die se ne say ho omo se COVID-19 period no bra yekọ oman mu nyina ne wiase nyina ekọ aho yehia mu Ghana ban oman peneku fuado eda no ebe hye won bo make certain promises be say frontline health workers no obey ama omo ebi ni say omo ana omo ye contact tracing no health workers na omo ye contact tracing no every day bia na obo omo apart from market no omo di no promises so obo omo 150 Ghana cedis daily allowance was some promise omo an insurance package of up to 350,000 Ghana cedis say in case say you really become Abino was ready to spend this amount of money to ensure say obesanya wa property and answer obusuani sa for obusuani bi emuka saiska no na aye ready say Abino ebe spending and now was also promise you almost say for 3 months beginning from April 2020 no na Obama if it is a tax exemption frontline health workers anti wakati no hwe o say your friends say government workers no omu payroll no so wo gina wo hwe a gross salary and net salary na akatua ban de man no yetiti niam pi e free niam yetiti bi free mu no ebi ni eto anase tax anti Nana Kufuado Ghana mampanyini e ka say sabre no obema sa frontline health workers no obema mo tax exemption for 3 months beginning from April 2020 and again a bosha was a share omono ebi and say na obema omo 50% salary increment beginning from May 2020 for 4 months. That is for frontline health workers. Well, Sir promised by on the 5th of April 2020 during one of his fellow Ghanaians engagements in Aikai COVID-19 period. Brano na yemampani any bidi kita very good. Oba no obechire bia COVID-19 no abagotu any mati mamufo so yes we was here na ye de boa na yakutia sa COVID-19. And so sir the fellow Ghanaians broadcast no on the 5th of April 2020 edition no and na omeki sa promises we say send ye be ya apomudin adwuma efo no so ebe ye de ebe kenya omo ho na omo ayere omo aboa na yako atia sa ayi and yes that story ya Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana MOVAG say sa promises na aban edema omo no Ebi wo hono mo a enye ni nyina some of them were not fulfilled. That was mienu omo conditions of service. Okay. Enye. The conditions of service I say baby a omo ye adwuma. Omo facilities omo ye adwuma. Tools e wo so omo di ye adwuma no omo nsanka. Enti no omo ne aban so atrase a omo engage aban for several years in here. You any in COVID-19, 2019 you on a buy all the way through to 2020. And then you were 2023. This is the last day of the month of November. You could read December. I be read 2024. Money are buying, I am engaged a buyer. Me will letter or Troy and Ra. Sir, Obe permit me, I may make kind of grab you. Was the intention to activate section 159? We respectfully do not intend to bore your good selves with long essay. However, at the general meeting of members of MOWAG, Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana, it was agreed that since all avenues to resolve our grievances has proven futile, notice of indefinite nationwide strike be served as in section 159 of Act 16655 2003. Our position is that all mortuary workers in Ghana shall lay down their tools starting on Wednesday, 29th November. Until all matters already in your domain are resolved. This is in exercise of our rights as the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana stipulates. You are respectfully notified. Omuchro letter we no omu serve bi di koma omu copy Ministry of Health and omuchro bi di koma Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations. Omu sa copy Minister for National Security so and omuchro bi koma Minister of Finance. Okay. And the Chief Executive Officer of Fair Wages and Salaries Commission so omu copy no. And the Executive Secretary of National Labor Commission so omu copy. So we know ekasa no can be say National Labor Commission engage Mortuary Workers Association. But we krata ya making kind says here one person much say omo engage halfway na over the years.
So omo engage over the years, that doesn't mean that they can't engage them again.
Oh yes. What you say? Omo engage more over the years. Any kwansi ke bi do be be do you. Because any so omo da sorry ya na omo si no ye tie atua. Yem kwa adwuma. What I say, almost I engage you over the years, but I say, woman fine. So, you know, who sing Konya de Bia, and so he free mumba. And decided, dear, ye do matter one. Encosi say, a buying ebe baby ayafa ye near my higher no. Yen so young quite with you. Oima, Papa, you will grow man say. Now, for the first time in the history of this country, President Akufo-Addo appointed CEO of mortuaries and funeral facilities. Ewa Ghana had say, Dr. Yao Trifo, so on by CEO of mortuaries and funeral facilities. I can't afford to be CEO of mortuary and funeral facilities. So there, anything. Eduma be poti no babe. Since May this year, Dr. Yao Trifo has been drawing salary. And that problem it falls directly under his domain. Because mortuary workers they fall under him. One is CEO of mortuaries and funeral facilities in Ghana. Nakatuya me kachira wa unini.
Oh,
it is public knowledge. I mean, so public idea.
Mr. Kroma, I mean, say a Juma penny be a salary at that one, so will be a name. How much?
I mean,
so you wanted to know.
You can apply. You can, yes, you can. Yes.
Now,
as a media man, I don't think this should be.
No, but I mean, now because
even the president's salary is for public knowledge.
Yeah, so that one is different.
CEO of mortuary and
I wouldn't love say be a person who salary.
You wouldn't want to know.
Yes.
That's because I'm not a public servant.
But better still, Crampon. I don't think say it allowed. Like a idea and crofo, person who say, oh, in Nipa way, na ketia is saying, we are ketia is saying, I just a
woman. This is, Obia, yeah, taxpayers' money in the Tuanica. Menu, try a G and the Tuanica. What you say? And so, why should it be a secret?
Not necessarily a secret, but I don't think say in the salary dear Dabontia will be a
if you want to know, me fan to go ahead and see me fan to go. But if you want to know, you will know.
Okay, fine, go ahead.
As a media man, you want to know, you will know. I mean, I don't see why the salary of the CEO of the mortuaries and
anything I said, I may have a pay because
of the strike.
Yeah, I think I just saw it.
I of the strike.
And so, that they are part of the strike doesn't mean that they didn't go on strike.
Sorry, I just saw it.
National Labour Commission.
I just saw it.
You have appointed, you see.
You go ahead.
These heckling and interjections, I can do worse than what he's doing.
Oh,
you realize that when he was speaking, I was very quiet.
That's why. Oh, please.
It doesn't mean say
no. But
you say Brami,
current information. But I was even going to say, I just saw it. I just saw it online.
I'm calling it off.
So please go ahead.
It still doesn't negate the fact say no. You know me very well.
Oh, dog.
I've been coming on.
I know how you are.
What I'm just saying is your way.
So go ahead.
When I decide to retaliate,
don't retaliate.
That is what I'm saying. Because I would have thought, so when your new information be about what
I was going to say it. I was going to say it. I just saw it.
I believe say Oberman a break. What you say? Now I can't do person.
Just go ahead.
Exactly, but you interject me. I believe say.
Don't say yeah. You got to sit for them.
No. You see, these people they are fond of those things.
Oh yeah, sure.
They are fond of those things, and I don't think that is the way to go.
It doesn't really matter. Sometimes you can also just wait up home and see your show there.
All right. So what I was saying is that we shouldn't have even gotten to this stage, knowing very well, say, President appointed CEO of mortuaries and fairly say funeral facilities organ handles or draw salaries, and Fair Wages and Salaries Commission. Must it always get to the point where people go on strike before you attend to their needs and must it always get there? No. Some of these things, I believe, say we can nib it in the bud. A bit my who be and sana or more babontia be BBC, abaye and sana, and I say, Omutus who say, my sana, my intervene, I who be. And the minute I can mean him say, no press and no pray.
Oh, it's out. I just saw the news, but they are in
very well. Maybe it's just out this morning. I have not seen it.
But 29th.
Okay.
And
so if it is true what they are saying, then it is good news. Yeah. Good news, my.
Yeah.
Because Anupayoba Sabi was say Nedof bida form. So Odof bida form is Sabi. Saha in one or more home we are any day. I won't say desire Yadophone, a crown ye. I copy my bread with your phobia. Near to any Yakoi, a moon on the area, oh baby. And he made this almost more and a soon woman Ghana. 77 bread years, so yen night is here. 77 bread years, some needs to mean also. One day, yen I be home. So, and he say, you're too much money at the J Muna say, ya respect too much money more na. In one way or the other, no, we are disrespecting our own selves. Because we'll be in one more better ball. That could be ano, will be in an will be better than Yato. What I notice why a whole man I said you go out. And so in a nutshell, now we say the government should up its game. It should up its game and attend to the grievances of the workers in this country and ensure that the right thing is done at the right time.
Exactly.
We shouldn't always wait till things get out of hands, escalate before say interventions Sabra no be a near my day, I say. But on this corner, I think say by now idea. Say buy a nano. What's in Manimuano, why I be a farm. Yeah.
Beautiful. And much of them.
Oh yeah, now your DVA and one then I can say, you and I can't send back. I believe say but baby person me te ho kakra the appointment of CEO for mortuaries and funeral facilities the agency. You see Oman Penyinya to me with here because of Ghana ya mambra mami kanya de kakra bi wa ha Ghana we bo say oka appointment ho say his appointment made in accordance with Article 195 Clause 1 of the 1992 Constitution and Section 100 Clause 1 of the Health Institutions and Facilities Act 2011. So you could see say Health Institutions and Facilities Act 2011 ana enya na ado dan kwa Akufo-Addo eneti akonyaso asabre na ye papa Professor Mills then na eyo man panyini and on the bus there should be a CEO obi disa dwuma we disemia abetena ha no ka se ase ehu ni mfaso se yebeyi yebedi dwuma di bisa na ase yebeyi opanyini bisa. Then I want to remind him say mponya banyi na de ko share mremu say wose yenya CEO no eyo no ana ban and de ko share enti no yes they said free education war constitution mu a take his excellency na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and na wa ban implement senior high there no I take your mampanyin kofo and oye basic there yes and the constitution no yenyina ye nim say do maybe kra na NDC 40 make say time ana ye tro no kra na ye ko die any ade yenyina de asresem okay intimesre no say nye na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo mpone propose ye okay na so buy on meye bill being called parliament was yenya CEO obehwe mortuaries and other so but no ana ban NDC aban any two sana mo okay I believe say ye koye nim yes baby ordinary no see no say obo aban abaso say timely intervention no esan say anye bibia akra no obi a obefiri mu ya kan man mu kra ne baabia obi ani wa se bi wafiri mu ya kan chi asembone nanka na deja beda so wa bonten so ene ade anase ye betin nsem a enye nti se aban yi ne mpanimfo nso so etu anamo a eboa I believe say so ka say conditions be until say meeting no there is no way so it tells you say meet conditions no aban no meet our conditions na but the buy no other adwumayefo bi so a ebi omo so intention so be di dwuma bi say no I believe say ni nyina no we can judge enye adwumayeni bi ani wa the nije ho a say wo say meti atua chinchina wo say meti atua yes but it room maybe say the empanyini kan say we yefunu yo ya na wa amfie osia be hu say we yefunu yo ya nti no mo so mebo o mabaso se mpo aban no eni o mo kasa ye no o matie no aso na mesre adwumayefo nyina say yen so we should take a cue from this na yen hu say yeni ba bia akọ ye man Ghana ye chichire no eya nti say we sembe ba ne aka we die we be demand na aban no meet ni nyina bia me meet mu halfway through ne ade yenyina yenhu ne se mu ye de pa obia bete
ata ya mama ntina hwa man wo ma ye bibi se ansa na
I get your point
ya na ha dwene
I get your metwase
ntina hwa ma se bi we ya na we motu atua we ya to atua
say the way I mean about osi canon wo ho what generalize no o say nya aban ba akopɛ asem se ba chwa ti ase o aban nyina anti say afodie ni wo hɔ a mem pese obi beka se ebi aban we in the home for this is not the first time
one by that is on
yes but I believe that is not the first time say you my cool class a mortuary workers association of Ghana this is not the first time I be on motiation
sure
pacho say and omo condition of service any ade no adwuma bia me bia me adwuma me ye no me gidi say every be bedru am me pese me condition of service ye be ye ni ama akonya kase ya otitui Onso be pese ye be ye kakra ama yen kakra I believe say say yati goodies
exactly. All right, beautiful. Well, fast forward here kwe no modia ene abono so pepepe our your studios have come on di Ghana e hon komo me next topic I me pese your Jojo Hwano pay and say abeto dwa say a special prosecutor wakasa doka nyina ne say abai man kwan emma ni juma katasihye ene proya na nka se bie so yin nim say excellence na dan kwakufado obeta be yakete ne so kan o so de would me fa em say entwe nim kra honestly emma Ghana for nyina yin ne yin papa we de wa wo ya obedem ene Ghana de me abete kra make bi metaba we dey wa wunnim pa be mistake no obe lock of fast kra na so in fact oba e hu bibia eno na am so e ma ne ka so oh se me lock obi akra na meti pani a obeda no a ono no obe hwehwem no hu se Diane ediska we nti o se me Fred Diane na me tutu na no se me hwe na sampa Diane ediska ne de ne da na obedem me fa ubedem man pa fofra betina kuma wudi so na wakasa na no ena oti eye special prosecutor by that time eye papa yadi na Martina Mido na oye special prosecutor achebia papa eti yaba man kwa man njuma kata sihye ne poye no abanye na adwen se obekwati a ma papa yi edna djuma eto ya yi fofo nso ba ya de o kan say the same story aba man kwan ma ne nyina djuma na eno no me best start o menua Mira doctor so say asem we e dey pa na be kan fa ho in fact special prosecutor be kasa aban ma ne kwan ma ne nyina djuma we gidi say ne kwan so no
well yes it was them ni jam no nim say decision fa and adia say ekoso nyina no only reveals one thing. It shows that Akufo-Addo are buying. And as Akufo-Addo, any MPP are buying. They cannot be trusted. Why? Because they don't say what they mean, and they don't mean what they say.
They don't say what they mean.
I will repeat. They don't say what they mean,
and they don't mean what they say. Like seriously.
So one catch will say, "Shesro." Now one chef for me. I did feel so about to when you know. Sebi, but then if any.
I might be brabad, you make us on me or Munya, almost see and you for my cadia to you.
Oima, you will come home say, no Kufuado, then opposition leader. Yes, Tono as incorruptible. You can be incorruptible, but you say, get us any proedia. Young fan for the future. Sadi is in Kufuado, said His Excellency in way. And on one business in PSO in his campaign platform, catch a Ghana for say, I will use the announced principle to fight corruption. So catch a Ghana for say, obey office of the special prosecutor. We measures are no CSA or by Mua, Ghana for whom nobody a trapaman no Bayman Penia. Oba Sani winning near more the big Guaquem or be fight corruption or Ghana. Say Panyampa Ninyampa, Ghana for Enyan Mujidi, Contumpo or Toma Ejidi. We believed him, hook, line, and sinker, and we voted for him massively in 2016. More we need. By where? Misha said, because they don't say what they mean and they don't mean what they say. And then no man find a nurse who come and say. Sam Crawford we see him. And then no man find a nurse who come and say. A fade Ghana, yet office of the special prosecutor. Ghana for will say ye near Kofa, the Kaiser, SP1, Martina Midu, and better home. I come go. I can't go. Eh? You go far. Matiami Dubai. Needed him say, ye be Jana Manaya the Tuma. But in Martinamidu's own words, was say the president thought, and I quote him, I could be his poodle. Because we be poodle, I just said. Sebi o sebi predu seka I'm afraid Marty hey. Danka CEO of a channel yi. Edward Betna said professionalism the work school akusua ntia ama qualifications a ode betna ha no. Enya no o ma mfa wadwen nya adwuma. Ni momo na beka se yesi can say fast mesi betna ha yesi. That's the meaning of poodle. Na chese wo de ya chise wo sagu achi o. Wo de wo betna ha no se obi anim se wo na wo set no so. Nanso obi wo achire a wo na achire wo de e wo se wo ye. Martinamidu asem obeka ye. So president no edin by senka o man be ye den omra me hanti opposition members. Because of say at that point in time you go for Martinamidu by no. One NDC for enka kra. Pe nyina ye nim. Ntawantawa that Martinamidu even up to date and I'm no ka said na. Sa ntawantawa nda so ho. Njakufu ado coily when say oh sa papa ya ono ne wan kasa ene ni party ti ado anwa so yi se me ko fa ne ba ene NDC for mamudue obetwem abo so papa isu ba office no say no you were present corrupt cases here eye president because eye president just say enu na yesi ya ewo ho ti wo se me di kan hwe no ansa na me wi amabu kompa komachi akohwe de atwam no meet me yai corruption cases be say Kelly GVG PDS cash for seats Australia visa scandal the list goes on and on. Meet me jawe mu nyina nwo na me go back all the way back to 2012 enko prosecuting crofo. Let me deal with the course nde no we are 77 producer say corruption cases be ekọ so bre bi atwam a sa for nya omo man mu ha ya obi adi ba bi akọ mekọ wo mo so ema mpanya anti ase da
ema ka so anti ase
oh mampani die wa ma boti abekasa da me kasa from the in the words of Martinamidu said kisi ajabi said kisi ajabi said kisi ajabi abekasa nrei enu ha bi na SP1 ebekai and in the end no was it opia ni gan hanum so you more corrupt than President Akufo-Addo. To be precise, no, he described President Akufo-Addo as the mother serpent of corruption. These are the words of Martinamidu.
He's what?
The mother serpent of corruption.
Are you sure?
Oh, meanwhile, who said the Americans say be a throne me twa na me de gu president hu fia anopa ya na eja asotwe bi o na ka mo de amame Martinamidu ne kai o krum hanum say so President Akufo-Addo is the mother serpent of corruption and wawo just you can't be a mother just say wo ye mame and maso
so no corrupt where you corrupt ankasa
yes when they demu dintiman and wawo
I don't think Martinamidu said that say a president's excellency a corrupt ankasa na is wawo corrupt
okay ebiana me there ebiana me bro for no bi na me mentiase mother serpent of corruption
would you go ahead
no me person eja biana when like you can't be business. It is only a fool who knows everything. If you are not
Mira Martinamidu Babonte, Ebeka say His Excellency Akufo-Addo, the mother of all corrupt.
He is the mother serpent of corruption.
Great, Yati.
Ohima.
In
just 30 seconds, we wait my verify say make say no person ya no pray.
O de koso.
Say bias my better say bi o my better how no person me 2 foot Ghana for nia.
O de koso. Eya na mo voice ni bi one very harsh.
These are not my words, so
you claim it's
exactly.
Okay,
exactly. And my brother is sitting here. Let him refute what I'm saying.
When he
gets the period, yes. When he gets the period, let him refute. Said, "Yeah, make
Sweetheart, go ahead.
So when we say somebody is a mother serpent of corruption, what a mother has what children. What I say, and those children are also perpetrating corrupt acts in this country. Now. It got to a stage or to an extent, say, Matiamidu got frustrated and threw his hands up in the air in frustration and gave up. Say my babet na hono said me a special prosecutor. Na adwuma Ghana for ye to the tax etua salary emame. Na magis Canadi. Na adwuma wase me ye mint me nyane die. Omampanyini na nkasa wo de office ne maame no. Obu akonwa na de metena so no. Saa nipa kro na asa abaya kwansidie sa agina mani bia ene adwuma no me de ato ho. Ana Matiamidu resign here. No de adwuma no to ho. Odi adwuma no to ho no Ghana for be pray be kire ho no adwen. Ibi so ne nukwa so odi to ho. He should have stayed on. Wasn't ko to aso no fight. A man fights. Men does. I mean, he shouldn't. Men don't quit. Now, all kinds of varied opinions being spewed from different quarters in this country. Ibi muso. Odi adwuma na to no ane kwa so anu. So wo ama adwuma na wo se me odi ama me no. Wo nsa ama me kwa ama me nya. Na wo se me di adwuma no to ho no. Obi a kire na adwuma man. Ibi muso wo ya ndisi ni nti. Ana wo kika kasa ansensem no. Yina yinim se Matiamidu. I think sir, in the run up to the 2000 elections, no, over here running meet to then Professor Mills. Why Attorney General Payne during President Rollins Amamu Epenso? So he's a known NDC man. Everybody knows in this country knows that. And the brown Becky Casans and same way, no, be as well. Why NDC Ninti and Wakika Casans and same way. But before President Kufuor the man is appointment, no one saw NDC knew. But meaning the president who no him so bit my adwuma no nti no demand or
no want to be an adwuma as a president now abana an adwuma
o se nipa na nkasa e Fred say ye dey adwuma no man no the reasons our maya or dey adwuma no to ho so no until date obi amba abontin e be refute say e me refute e me can say asem o kan no
anya no correct okay
now fast forward your boy appointee Kisi Ejabi. Or a law lecturer.
Sure.
Or University of Ghana.
Exactly.
To him day, any day. What you say? When you just say, where sympathizer of MPP near the Jumanaire, a man. Save you a judge for Crampon, what they be playing. He said, he may look young, but we see when you know. He has vast experience in the law field.
Okay.
Over him.
2 more minutes to go.
Oh.
Think I may charm me.
Okay,
what do you call so? Over and day, 15. Now, I'm giving you 10.
Very well.
Great.
And so, he said, we all felt, say, well, he was doing his best. Until Sir La Bianca Casey a buy. La Bianca Casey by how did we, in other words, how did we get here? It came to light, say, Canada Damwa, and Commissioner Emma, friend say, GRA. I granted favorable tax exemption, Ama La Bianca. Now, you can't say, yes, La Bianca a company or import to Niama any bagana, especially frozen foods, fish, nails, animal, yamadianis, animal, money. Company, new run, a friend, Jacqueline, a member of Council of State. The Council of State, or two man penufon, Wakambi. Was I a known sympathizer and financier of the MPP? Or more Musika, I don't know. A boy MPP ma omuba aban La Bianca mami e kan ho bi enti no sa Canada moyi e fa kwati kwan so ye den e ye se wo be boa mami no because konkomra wo kan ho bi na e ya ba aban mu nti wo se yeso e fa sa kwati kwan we so ne boa nti eto a mami niam wo kraba o mama no wo so kotua no e ko hwe nkratam na enye sa to no wotua e na Kisi Ejabi be so case ni se me be hwehwem say no kre say nya no kre be hwehwem say no kre a na bebemra no no ye de ato say nya no kre so a na maame no ye de ni din hwa ye den asan wo chance ya hey yan tiase tabiri asem no court ye Canada mo ye court him say court to the Kaukwa justice and a bay mouth.
Justice and
In the words of Kisia Jabin, our Kassan run. I don't think say justice here. Or say, I cry high court no judge no what na asem no so. Just say why restricting say only one kwan class or investigate case ni bi we investigate La Bianca and say Canada one bi.
Okay.
So how did we get here? Why ma? And Emra so wo hwe Kisia Jabin bra na or engage media na. The man was virtually in tears. Oh yes, he was almost crying.
Did you see tears flows?
He was almost. That's what I used. He almost crying.
Okay.
What was it? What na music was it? Akwa no ma. Me dey me cry ma ba for there.
Okay.
Me ya na me to me breast one na me call. Just like he was virtually crying because the same people. Mother serpent ne nkwala children serpent na ye stop mati amidu no. Sa for na.
Okay.
Esa stop.
Okay.
Kisia Jabin mana na juma.
Okay.
No him na onim.
What do I know?
If we lose the fight to corruption, and then I have always said, sir, you see, the idea people for every money now is because they have stuffed the courts with their apparatchiks. Yeah, judges here who are sympathetic, and I can give you examples.
Are you saying, sir,
most of them are sympathetic to the cause of the MPP? And so because 2024, so we should kratam say the Kisia Jabin ya. So we kratam na umu say minister be we ska DC be we ska the best ya with my answer within the court. And they know very well say court one so no very good. And they will be exonerated. So it has started already.
Are you saying say during your time most of them microphone e go ana?
Oh, you can give me an example.
Okay, thank you. Mama from Syria.
Me tell me is now.
I saw 17. You supposed to end 15. You started 7 a.m. You spoke for 18 minutes.
Miss Rang, make us a time we come home.
You enforce us in pity. The brain in our mouth near Pong 3 p.m. Cranwa. And so you see, Miniaba, as somewhere that person is as if I say, it's Johnny free. And common.
Okay.
Mistress said, it's a Ghana, and yes, we should let our institutions work.
Exactly. Exactly.
Say institution be a yen juma. A year then ya kochum and penina be shame said a year or no. Okay. Iraqi say Japan ne statement in a Bible things. I've read in between lines. Unkoti na na danko kufa. Unkoti presidency. Inti enimbe bia me free. And a question now to my kra no say aban ma ne nye na dwuma no nye sa na onka. Iraqi say Japan me gidi say na nsem no a woka no. Nya ekofa Martin Lamisi Amidu. Da wonsem kakra.
Bye.
Someone can say mother segment of corruption. I believe so.
Sorry.
Me betina hana men can say. And can say politics na yeah, but is you say
we heard him.
Yes. And again, on records. Say na onye special prosecutor no can say. Or ye special prosecutor one can say.
Okay. You see, okay, no, not
ordinary juma to ho awie.
Okay.
Nzo bi ka say special prosecutor bia ka say ya enye no kremaji na chinyi.
Na ordinary juma na
to ho awie.
Okay. Odo sana to adapa.
Yes.
All right.
Inti no say menu kan say we NDC ni no.
Okay.
Yeah, be 2020 elections. November, yama appointment. 1 year, wa me kahwe. 2 years, wa me kahwe. 3rd year. When we say yeah, be call elections 2020 November, and ask me the Medjuma air tour 19th November 2020, and ask me the Medjuma air tour 27th November and all this any statement so but na eno kra no has got something to do with ade bi almost say Japan deal the Japan deal no ho asem no or relating no say in the Japan deal no the president is like no kuti is ade so the entire juma o ka say we be a special prosecutor and na say corrupt cases are koso wo Ghana and o say o man panyini ehubun this said enede ye papa Martin amitu ka asem we see it but it's the same person our appointment ebia wan ka bi minim say sabre na okasama NDC dia but all NDC communicators deep papa ya from the time my man appointment ama omo national communication officers immediately called this man names so nyobia we onu kra no onye papa enti obi a NDC fo mo se onye papa mo si e man appointment no Martin Amidu onye papa wo na wabeka asem na ugina so and I would make a case in any case me make so onye papa wo asem de so bi kan asem a ehwehwemu na ese oye ekowanim the same man Martin Amidu o say ensem kese e course a ye di wo kwesiko krom English England company bi efen Airbus on the answer na woni oman bi ebedi dwa no e wo se sika mo exchange sika bi ni ade ansa $5 million mampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama ni nuakuma Samuel Mahama edi epiem o se the government official one na copy o court na John Mahama into this same man also ginidi but to say Martin Amidu say government official one John Mahama His Excellency ono so na sika no osoma ma na nuakoji you according to the statement on the next intermediary need after $5 million no kodi wom ho nti se na so je Martin Amidu nsem didi a enya me ka kire se ene wa nkasa na wa be kana fidi so wo gidi se ya papa John Dramani Mahama ni government official one sika $5 million e call ni na busu anchen again ya papa Martin Amidu o say on records Ghana bin sida say a president ebe set committee say yan kwhwe vice president ensemu because or you corrupt ketase she kan ne proya dokro no o say Yewura Mills e set committee say yan kwhwe John Mahama ensemu nji say eye no credit say wo gina na asam si de o make case dia enya na untimi enye selective justice anamebwa untimi nyi bi film enti ya papa Martin Amidu o say ansa na ya papa Mills ebenya ne kra achi akwa na say obe film no o seti committee say keta se she kankan ne proye adokro vice presidency ana ya papa John Dramani Mahama de te ho enti enko hwehwe ni nsemu ebi nsi da wo Ghana enti minua eduru me bi asem Martin Amidu mu heli no eduru bi asem de ne hwefom eduru enti ne nsem o aka ne nyina na ye no credit ne nsem o aka ne bi ni o enti eno so ka ho sen ne nsem ne bi ni ya papa kisi Japan special prosecutor o say edi kan no ono ba ye be ye special prosecutor ni payroll na nipa ba akopene da so na lie ni payroll no say nipa ba akopene da so ba mprempren ya ye kase na so ye ho no payroll ye 249 persons eni ya fa omo asese ye tu omo ka omo ye adwuma de boa no
okay
enti ono o kasisu say wa ye adwuma no wa ye adwuma den o san kasisu say sese no o san de nani abekire enye national ade nko a o de nani bekire regency ni mu atete ne offices into obi a ye ma ne nya adwuma sebi ni statement ya ye kan ya emu na ye di nkomo yi o say ono obetete offices e wo 3 different regions in Ghana into bi nuaba obi a ye ma ne kwa ma ne nya na adwuma ze de ze ne fata into ono akro ya timi ka se me betete offices na obetete office de kwa den adwuma be ma na ye you see enu ntihwe asem we akoye besepa ne konyina haban ye tase no obanyansafo o se cases bi wo ho a wo de akokota ena court so stopping no enti eye onu no na so eye against the judiciary omo executive di bia wo nti so betena na person odi asem we afia na o dane no na obetwe presidency bi shemu a it will not wash because statement yon kwa no akan it's on my phone binya topic na me kan ye ensem no waka no on indict presidency eye a body eye judiciary and ye nyina ye nim say ye kan arms of government executive than baby judiciary than baby nti ye den ye kan judiciary asem a wo betwe executive the leader of the executive abishem say ono a no one ye fair to the system ye ni no krema ye ho as communicators ye ni no krema ye ho se betina fidie so a se dia asem ni sitie bia no ye nka no se dia sitie ni ye nya se ye twetwetwe nkofo e de on be hihye mu no na enwa these things we say ya na ya so Ghana dia asem bia ba na ya politicizing no ya kwatwe MPP abesu ya kwatwe NDC abesu weterete na sam na nko be bia
nyina mo ye bi
enye se ye nyina ye bi menu aba statement no ye clear o me say west bia and wasan case so say ye kwa ye nimu no asem bia ono e de be ko ajajefo akachi say ye ni asem no ni position obe publicize
okay
na de ajajefo no so ka judiciary so ka no o publicize na ma obi ehu say eye ono no wo ye na dwuma ye ana hwan na nye na dwuma yi enti me stress e ba bia ensam ne nam no yes papa no wo ye dwuma pa enani abre so minim ya obetimi abo cases bia e bia we were ka say o sa case we dey to him judiciary man kwan ama na anye te se de wo pe but judiciary aye ka ho asem mestre na na do dan kwa akufo adonko na aye appointment e wo wana again a judge for those 4 cases I was citing ye no mo tena so no is he on record say na na do dan kwa akufo adon appoint omo ana no bi akoka say bi ase okay nti mesre sometimes you say ye allegation no na ye kadigu obi so akwa otumra eso o trace ba bi kura otu emre no efri ye na Ghana fo nyina ehu asemu awoka enti me two institutions now
okay
special prosecutor and a judicial and a special prosecutor kase simply wo yes your man kwan you or the nsam ne court but they open onya enti mi nuaba den wa kwatwa mo mpanyina be hye saazem wi when na nya asem wa yesi judge say court na so no na do dan kwakufu ado court na so akodi asem ni bi there be okay so mamu maye nye say we are giving the dog a bad name and then hang it no
ade na wosusu say amanu abantia special prosecutor dey asem kokota say be so ontimi nya de ohwehwe
I believe say enye all cases
okay
enye all cases imprempre ya me kase me papa ba ko in politics
okay
your friend chairman Aluta Dwabe ya appointing was MC a mo koto no so aba wo say assembly member bi abaji ni sika say bodam ni bi ewo na electoral area abaji ni 1000 na odi kopenko odi koma kobo pa ni etimi ayi bodam ni na firi ho a eto aba ni ya wo susu say sa assembly member no anto aba ama no a okoka so obaji ni sika mpempe ya make say ogina court special prosecutor kache eno gina ye di nasem nti ade na sa asem no ya papa kisi ajabe one farm mem say eno ne buy we kwado a politician o we dey oye dwabe constituency chairman as ye kase but ogina court ade bi odi court atrenchie ani there are cases 101 cases I wo amu di court atrenchie ani but ye misa ye ho say Ghana ye judicial system see di asem a it take time and na say take time ye misa ye ho former Cocoa board see is that opening right na asem ye dey see ni nwie
I know
ye ni asem ni nwie ye
say ye ni nwie but baby I say I have me kakra master and I'm not comfortable and say a DNA basic crime ama a whole special prosecutor asema or de beba muntimi ni muni ne ntem MSC bi pepe yo na kuma Anthony yem
former CEO kra no
juma no onya kwanye
former CEO kra no former CEO kra no
wa ma juma na
the case no na special prosecutor en kwa special prosecutor na de call you eno aye normal court process okay omudi but ye ka say asem ne ni nwie minimo bi a one ne yonko omudi koko efo eho e say don na check e you know
17 and 17 I can't 4 minutes
they say I'm now where time keeper
17 many everyone
on kro we 18
we 18 ye di we na o hwe ya
18 me hwe na time no so na boho you 17
who say
yeah carbon na say ayo aluta
be nyesa ono so say
defra ma beto kuko we so me
18 million ba you see Ghana a judicial and some Osha reporter and as a statement I papa Kisi Ajabe de buy against the judiciary. I believe say be a judiciary so almost so take a paper. But once a judge for no a lawyer for no do me do almost be no there be a number mountain so be casao. There be almost the only me fast answer no ho beba mountain so. And we shouldn't also forget say time special prosecutor assure na the office na yet no. E man no niema wo betimi aka ho asem o Ghana. So obi kotwa obi board e want me fan ko special prosecutor. Otu also would be on nam kete obi atutu boto. Uji kantim fan ko. Enu ti ye besre say the ono e kano yes me nyina no ensi bone the judiciary so nimfa saa ensem we won omoso mra monteso no moso meka na Ghana fo ye nyina ye ntie na ye mpeke the won bia because asye no ye adwuma pa there are some cases omotimi akoso a bi etuasika to the state any ade bacho what you say Anunti memre ni nyanso aka me 2 minutes or 1 minute. Yes, say 18 into 2 minutes.
We need na
okay. Enti no.
Mo de wo me kumi afere pa mo.
Enti you see emba me dey manu sinime I want to end on a corrupt cases
okay.
Let me person or twin another dan kwakufu ado. You see yet Ghana and our brand be a friend Kanazori working abi. Also a per contract o Ghana wo nya bi. And will be painting is a jack. Who pay contract to Ghana? And I won't call John Mama ho. And it will be dear good. What in the envelope and the Ford expedition call ya. Chrome na be Thomas de my bet. So we near the way a cash in this better way in them. Chrome na koto akotom. Nisi ka chichiri dia ye chama me say on fan koto Jericho afesu. E wo Ghana ha. Ni nyina siye. Okay. The biabi kamese na nado dan kwakufu ado as omampanyini unya case bako pempo mfa mono
okay meda
Alhaji Dr. Mamudu Baumia as omampanyini abedi akiri unya corrupt case bako pempo mfa mono Alhaji Dr. Mamudu Baumia not even a single case.
Excellency John Dramani Mahama sebio ameto dwa se chinchina yetwan waye sao
e da bi on se tiu ensam ne se Martina Midu nya se obi de foreign no edi kan no Kanazori ne nsam yi ono abekire se kan no kra no wanfa ankofi ojano presidency is that not the case enti sa asem se dance ni ho a utwa kakra o se kan no a Kanazori de ba ye no wanfa ankofi o de call presidency ama enkofo edaso AUC okay sa Airbus scandal any ade ye koto aeroplane buy one get one free any ade nti papa John Dramani Mahama de yentimi endware no e wa ha ye nyansuo kro ne samna kro ye de be man ho afi e wa ha
thank you so much Henry yanka say don't
I won't fight ma
as not an
my brother here Wakasa Bibri
the same time
he spoke so much he ended up saying nothing.
Oh okay.
Maybe
yes.
But I walk out with the Henry Castle so he ended up saying nothing. I was like
asema adwama ye do so ni ebo
munyina you don't stick to the question the topic
SP2
munyina
kisi jabi
we kakana fo kakana
what I say na asema nura na jodi abetu dwa say ye fight corruption or fight no amanfo bi o man mu a ye fight no
yeah
what I say
judiciary
and was me na me the president din here ebam sir me mom na me the president Akufo-Addo din ebam
but you did when in your
me mom na me din ebam
in your submission what did you be
hwe ohima say president appoint obi as minister na yes minister no o de no akofore ketazihye no proye cases bi aba ne hubum ti asem ni yo na ya behwehwem na o mampani a wo appoint sa nipa no before say ya behwehwe asem mu krampo no wo di kan ba bonten abeka se nipa wo ye de me gidi se me woni mu gidi se asem a ye da to no so no enye no kre enti no me gidi se ye hwehwem wi a ne hu be san ne hu so Bola minister Cecilia da pa asem na meka yo
on so say we so the fufra
no me ka be say nyamotri o me ka be si asem so hima
because
me ka be si asem so
because every year the submission
was me na me the president din abam
but so with
na me president nyamotri president na de ne hu for mu onye obi na de ya twi ne ba mu Akufo-Addo na nkasa na de ne hu for the same ni mu enye obi na ya twi ne bam what you say na say wo president na wo no appoint minister na say ne hu aba asem a leave the Okasa we should let the institutions work.
Institutions are working.
What you say? So before say institutions look about you, no president no what the can back. What be make it final judgment? What ma verdict about wanting that? Say nipa no there. Ni hu so wu gidi say. E asema ide ato no so no enya no kre. Na special prosecutor na wo appointing no no e ba ba ye no adwuma. Wo president wo akonya na what is so cha ni dey bebrebe o. Wo ye bibia na wo san suro say na nipa yi se me koka se odi fo a president se odi bim na ere na betima koka se odi fo endi se akisi de bi ka se nkofo air fight ne Ghana ase na me ba Akufo-Addo din me na me din na bam ya me ametia na me din ni din abam ohima wo ti ase yi na wa waka ho bi he is part ekokoto a ti o asem no court no judge wo betina asem so ene wo high court judge onya supreme court a wo be ko Supreme Court one na do be ko president na do be ko president ya odi be ko so ababonti abeka say nipa na mu investigate nipa na asem abedu anim no we clean na wo judge na wo ti asem so no 700 say wo be ti bon koso no aka say da bi nipa president asem president ka e mini president nya adwen we twa no asifom nipa no we guilty now pronounce guilty judgment on the person wo be dem ko Supreme Court obi ndi safo wo nyina yesuro yetena asem so a Baby, I was a cancer to be comfort because Akufo-Addo adi kan ba be pronounce a judgment. Or he is the most powerful person in the country. When why go cancel conform se ko na ba yara na kuma wan. Why ma? And this Akufo-Addo din e be bon corruption. Anya me ameti ase na me din ba corruption deals me and I say kisi ajami ase wo be kan say am for fighting Ghana han say e court including Akufo-Addo himself. Anya me na make.
No wonder it looks like I don't want it.
I am not the one saying it. Me na kasa wase asema hu ni adansi dey twa bi di adansi.
But because people are fighting him.
What you say? And I've just given you an example how Akufo-Addo is roped or drawn into this argument. What you say? No, the American say if it say 77 also say if it doesn't make sense here.
Yes, it doesn't make sense, but it doesn't fit in.
What you say? Where mami no anin some kind mami just one paragraph. What say? The duty and mandate of the courts is to apply and enforce the laws of the republic and not, and I repeat, not to clothe persons with immunity from criminal investigations and prosecution. A court cannot injunct the OSP from investigating or prosecuting any person. The decision to investigate and prosecute lies with the investigation and prosecution authorities, such as the OSP. And the OSP has at all material times carried out its power to investigate with candor and professionalism, being mindful of the rights of suspects under its investigations. The entire Makisi Jabin Beka asked him when he said, "And now, judge Nathan Assembly was say, Nipa na ye investigating no kwampo no. Kisi Jabin ni hu kwan say o investigating nipa ni biemu. Asem na beto dwa no, o say ye we de odua biemu ku ne kure say no kure wum say no kure nim. Ana meboa. Waiting at the office of the special prosecutor. Judge no kwatena asem no so. Afa judge ni say special prosecutor kra ni hu oni hu kwan. Wase na asem wo de boto court na nim. Ya bo ato agu. Etoso mienu, wasa ni hu kwan say o ko investigating nipa no kura biemu. prosecute nipa no they say why immune they say opro Ghana mraso. That is what it implies. Then your office of the special prosecutor is you heading. You're heading. What didn't assemble we and was say I will not say Ghana is doomed, but we are facing doom. We are facing, these are the words of the special prosecutor himself. People are fighting him tooth and nail to ensure that he doesn't succeed. Including him.
President on appointing Nipano. On no better fighting. That is why I don't.
And I have given you an example here. Say, any pana who appointed special prosecutor and better one. I appointed minister and who abasem. Why appointed them? Why didn't cotton a GR and who abasem? Jacqueline, over here, friend say, Council of State member, and who abasem. Safo nyina before you best start investigation kwano president Edika ababa nchabe clear and who special prosecutor is a omo dia man say wo krom ha what is small boys kisi ejabe small boy special prosecutor small boy no dia kan small boy kisi ejabe small boy special prosecutor
it doesn't matter
it does they are demeaning him what you say trying to throw mud at him and it doesn't augur well. When they sit already on TV, say, you know that Humaswa Kasane, a hunter, any Gray Kasano. How can you call him somebody like that? Small boy. Do you know his credentials? Is he a Jabin? Last friend say, Professor University of Ghana Law School. Baumia Beka say, what the friends Ghana card the kwakwaji your friends say where can pay kasi what I say Anna Professor Ibe about to me finish kakra I will remember as we go on.
So let's take the topic.
Oh Professor Kobe Mensa about to make us say Babumi so was he between the Ghana card no I said edi dwumade na wo kana and wo di kan ye de e fa kwaji card say fa kwaji Mercedes Benz ni ehu sa ampa asem na wo kana no kure na yesi anya de yesi enko ye bi hwe people like Miracles Abuaji and those small boys are the Jubilee House ever washing it clean.
When you talk of
people are more you don't even qualify to be a student too.
You know young guys I won't say small boys.
Look,
we also have small
when you look at Kobe Mensa, Professor Kobe Mensa,
we have a lot of small boys in NDC who
Professor Kobe Mensa, you don't even qualify to be his student. Some for no Jubilee House no mu and no mu tutu ayampia babonti efre Professor Kobe Mensa Fosuja no. They don't even qualify to be his student.
Doctor, I just don't want you to be.
What you say? And some who must say, "I'm a swaka you but
TV small boys are. They also.
We have gone past that stage.
The way
Say the mama man, I take Japan somewhere. I'm not talking about age here. I'm not. Me becoming more age. My age. I'm not speaking about age here.
Okay, let's go.
What do you say? Baby, mama man, you have to take up some between.
Okay.
One would have thought, say, every opportunity be on Benyano. Ngamube cancer about you to Ghana Fakuma. Mube cancer one. Mube say, and near my digu Aquema Ghana for. And when you're here, Yaduma Komuno, ye more free money. As a Musanya Konya number platforms, TV, students, Twitter, social media, so now we didn't pay for Atema. Sebi yourself is some producer. Yakoyana say by. Ohima, Yakoyana say by. Look, in this country, look, as a maker, I say, friends, a mina maker, as a marshal, special prosecutor, no, T. What can I say? Was it? A judge, a lawyer for our men and for senior lawyers in this country. I catch and say, Sani media engagements now, you know. Say, when Yaya, a judge for now, you might say, they will gang up against him and case be out the Bebano on the tracking about it. This is City News, make my forward the amount. Now, what say? He said he had been admonished by well-meaning lawyers. These are the words of Kisi Ejabin, SP2. He had been admonished by well-meaning lawyers that some judges were opposed to the policy, and if the office persisted, the judges would gang up against the office and throw out all our cases. Judges becoming gangsters. In this country, The judges will gang up. You can't gang up. I saw what I say. It comes. Gangsters come from the gang. Come from the gangster. Judges. But even you special prosecutor why SP2 kisi ejebi why.
All right.
Ne boni why and say. Mo verdict mo de beto about the high court verdict or the about mo de beto abontin. Say oni hu kwan so investigating nipa ne biem. And also be media engagement. I say. Adwuma na Ghana for mo de ma me no. Bebe akwa kodru ni. Makwa bi kodru court no. Afi the court say wo ma me nyam adwuma ni biem. No de beto abontin. Ne boni why anu no. In a democracy, the media is the fourth arm of the realm.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm very sad. So we'll be some question you as a media person.
I have to because it looks like
you are a media person.
More often, no, as a modern commoner, mama na quest as a media phony be, you know.
Anyway, that is another topic for another day. But the issue is that
blue, white, red show.
Kisia Jebin Bonnie away in and say,
doctor.
Well, face the court on we, court the very Bible to our TV, and one engage media union, our one crime. Or free woman or day, Nasember 2 money. One day, court to be at him, one day, judge need be at him. No church and say much Ghana for say. I do my moody share, Miss Annabia, me cook my Neboni why I don't know. I judge for be money akutukum yantiase. I didn't know church and say much Ghana for. And am I reading this here? Sitting, it is there. I can forward it to you. We know I may forward your man.
Okay.
Why are we doing this to ourselves as a country?
Okay. Every
Why ma?
My member now brass.
Oh.
47.
Me can't time as I was in a minute. I'm
from 35 for now there. From 35 now there I could do.
35 from start you. I don't want to
35 now start here.
35 I watched.
Anyway,
I said I'm at
35. What can be?
You see, and so what I'm saying is, Ghana, I want to. In the words of the special prosecutor, or see if the office of the OSP fails, Ghana will fail.
Okay.
The fight against corruption will fail. And if the fight against corruption fails, the country will fail. Look, Anopa Betra Hamicha Nana Nyinam so hene.
Sure.
Pia okwa nyinam so hon mo. Any health center kwa ho. Health center ba kokra ni wo hon. But we have lost 9.6 billion.
Thank you.
According in the words of the Auditor General, we lost 9.6 billion to corruption in this country last year alone.
Henry, 1 minute here.
Why are we doing this to ourselves?
Oh, my family calls.
What did Nina man? 1 minute now. Major, you see, Mechia Nana and Yinam Suhene. Nanata. Said your bony, the master said, me bomb pie said, Ibinia health facilities, Ibinia and a kind. The papa. Jeji abediso Meos abediso Mahama abediso
This is another kukufa
na kufu ado abediso mampenye kufu abediso mesese maban yemo ye homoden na yemo omo facility esanse
omo to aba
omo so eto aba NDC aban on buy here the end where chess will be
now we meet your MP ho Esiama has been MP for that place for over 20 years.
You see still me jina so say OSP any judicial any executive the statement no on can be ada say na do dan kwagu fado mane nyana djuma but you see say onim wo bibia wadanfo bi na wate say yesi madamfo yi aya ade bia e bia enfra the first thing I be can say madamfo yi de minimum no okay yanhwe na nhwehwemu nkoso na yanhwe de besi that is the statement. I say I trust my appointee but menyamra no let the law take its course. And you know say o man panyin ko ka say o trust na appointee does that mean say me ma judiciary no madwuma na say these things on say emwa ena the message stress when say judge bia ni wa usuro o man panyin na usuro panyin bia judge bia ni judge time a judge for the asem NDC for bi the asem court could di for ebi the asem court could di be o man panyin ko for time the same happened na na do dan ko akufo ado pen so MPP for bi court could di for ebi akwa di be eti message no na ya no was stick it to ipa no a bia one ne ba show I will say mo betena fidi so a mo kasa bi ni ade no wan bi obi tia no ka say Be a Henry Akokansi be a Yanama NDC, the colleague NDC ni Kase. Obetin FD because
no, maybe you didn't listen.
No,
I said some of your communicators.
But
I said some. I use the word some.
Me MPP communicator.
Man, kasa munyina. I use the word some.
Communicator. Me not here. But you don't leave Sami Jenfi out.
What you say?
No one back.
I use the word some.
No, me say unja Sami Jenfi to ho. And one backup babies with sharp teeth to a communication move. Okay,
I came in.
Yes.
Almost
so phobia. Yes,
I didn't want to mention it because I know the Kwakubu hands.
Yes.
I know there's a
It is super there. Obiano is style. Obiano is style of communicating.
So much when we read message that cry. Nah.
I feel you're okay with the time. You say there's on your time, we are balancing. When your time,
good morning, my sweet Diane. Of course, your lovely team. Thank you. Good morning to you as well. Please kindly share this video to friends and family to be blessed. Thank you. I'm on again on live on Facebook. If we do say that I love you all, we love you right back. Yvonne Mensah says that good morning, Sister Diane, and your entire team. Keep up their good work. Thank you. The government has got nothing to do with court cases, so let's take him out of court cases. Well, fast forward, I'm going on. If no, sorry, Yvonne came back said, especially murder cases always takes longer before they make decisions on them. Why? Well, Omar Abdul Razak says that hi, my name is Omar Abdul. The jar crazy greetings to Mr. Morrison and KOOWAA TV. Good morning to you. That's Yvonne says that see why I have actually problem with the NDC. How can you bring toothless facilities in the problem now instead of him to go straight to the topic? Well, this is from right here in the neighborhood watching live inside of Boa State. Thank you. This is an SMS that came. BBC, the good morning, Diane. MPP, NDC. Definitely, I will go for MPP all the time. But trust me, when it comes to Martin Amidu case, it's different. Now, the new prosecutor is also talking. What do we do? Narado, come out, talk. Let us know what's going on. Kelly says that good morning, Diane. I greet Dr. Morrison and Henry. They are all decent, communicators. I love them. Wow. Fancy. Maybe realize that some part of it me afraid. Na yakoye no bit me afraid. And some ya can also find in Brana Yanko. Lies no and that screen no so and let's go. Yeah, first dama OD4. Maybe for something quickly about so and Dorifa Vigo Plus for so no. You better almost so Dorifa Vigo Plus now no a banner no ya dear and a titwa. A bit was the syphilis candida, gonorrhea, and to be none on the BC so Baba hit you on so no whole neck come. And also so that what Japan my encyclopedia quick to na Ayana, a ham margin, said you to one Robin to say you or on a support and send the call me more and a hockey can be so. And also one of them don't have to plus Sibia, that I can now. Ebi free ho de mammo siko maso ko shop bi ebe no heba shop bi e pedro no na kwaji Dorifa Big Plus na was no ebu wait me kwa doctor number no ebe to school no safa na wona no etwetwe nkomo obeba be delivery de amount baby a o bia wow lines no ma activity NTMC a monfa lines no and so mamena o mo betimi aboerem no Emurem anope na ijanko. I don't know. Tian fa question, so let me know so that I'll come back to my people na ijanko. November Busmu. But now, 1st December. Bonyana and I don't know how you're prepared to receive the Christmas, but I am fully prepared with lots of prayers and lots of food. I love chicken. Hey, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, and you know, mesos. I don't know, like I was saying, I don't know how prepared you are to face the Christmas now. You shall not, everybody I said that maybe I could dano. And so they be a chicken, they be a fried rice and nature. I just love the flavor, you know, in your no drinks, you know, and you know, when I hear the jungle bells, oh my God, let me see the say, yeah. I said, we cook crowd, I said, more fancy my bob brand video. And so I said, we use that. Doctor, I mean, who tell me say a brunya, the way I love you. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. First call, I can tell me when I am because I'm a phone. Hello, good morning. Oh, Uncle Sir. Line is to meet someone. Hello, good morning. Okay, me fa ko bia. Doctor, mama yonko. Na mo ma dia se me kwa na be kasa ka me.
Mula na de mo ko mo.
Ya na ya me nwanwa mpo. Famous mu yo. Hello, me do enti o. Me ba cho kasa me enti o.
Me ba cho. President Akufo what the special position and yes I know because Obia ba ni ehu Samazemi bimpuda onya de papa onya na say muto endi na ya fi ate na kokoro na wa ba no fa eni me di ewu eduma onu so ye eye the same to na matami di fa na oruban ye so kokoro no ni so owo eduma wa ya fa ti kana ye ko ni wo ma ni we ni de ni bola minister so ti ka de brebe ya ye wu ni de ni no e de na ye fa ho ti ka no so wa he fa ti ka no so wa he kwa ti ka we mu de ba eduma mo fo de ti ya ye eduma na nye eduma ketewa Ade na nipa ni ko ka no kura wo sentisa enye president no di no fufu nipa no sa ma me ko ati atese wa ya boni to aru ba ade to aru ba ye ye hu sika no aru ba ye so hu se wa ya boni wa di fufu wa ye mistake iku aru ba ye no nti na punishment wa na ka fa ma me fa sanu be ga na ko ye bro epi fufu ye bra ka mo amutu epi fufu ka mo bra ye bra pa pe ti di mama ye de ye bra ko ku pa ye ntahwe ye nya akojufo ta o Ghana for nya akojufo na baby to for ku ya me ska la baby for the good Ghana mo mu ara be le kam Ghana pambre na fi di ade president Akufo de extra wate ya baby ka for one to now e wa ka so mo bo ana nti mada wo kan se nya no kwa tachi wo mo bye
hello, good morning. Okay, me fuck last one, I'm cool. And when you time hello, good morning. Hello, babe.
Good morning.
What to say?
Mpaka kizalo ni katafi kisia uniberi.
Yensi wa medofu pa.
No, mini aba mabemo aba so ni jumpa mobo. Michia ye kapiga fono motu wina. Daya de tiere se yaman penyi wina ngasa no. Aye special prosecutor aye office na wotu ya ngasa no. Mini ona ngasa tie aizi ka tan ase ni no ko fa do ni no se wotu the match way no. Mini ani se na asoya watia Diane, in fact, Ghana for Biangoma special prosecutor from Matiami to BBC APC, Ejabeso, yes, some trouble, check from whom the leader also more in the day with Kufado, you see, the Divinity will be because answer and statement you can have on Tegano. What I said now, you never said the national leader that, but you only the national leader that. What I said, Kembamia or Pakisikagu, a yearly day mini Nepasi. Case ni kwa ba kwa watu tena kufa the car defend my money to the data the better can we special for case ni ba million I just the problem I say we in here say media mama na say because the carry dey go me dem Ghana mla kwa boys say then come to me about what I we are say dollar why dey Ghana ha e be kura gburu what say you know no ku take be kura gba what say you can mind is that to say omo mo be say na wo be be see the carry go dem ma What is your manage wa o man payini mu na de odi kan de e defend mu ye na case ko kwota million o ma die tianu ndi na na ga ta million ba corruption de adoko ni na ma mu wi so ni minister ni na point su ni si wo o ba bo corona tiro kan azu de ni ku fa ro ba ya je de for more than 80 ana te ni kasi dia wo be kwa obedi we aku fa wo for that ndi no dia ya kan say papa no be kwa wa o fi no ho resign why not dem aso ye la ban guru ni da ba me da na mi jira
Miss me that singing for call baby no be na every doctor yen kwe baby. Okay.
ma pedi den oya mamona jini na wa baby bia fa godi wanda wa bro busia wa wi ni program okofa de bai yesre na ebe ya resign na on fa na djuma ntuo na e friend say Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Boromia Boro yi no wonde omra meye na omra meye bibini ehwe na going forward 2024 no 24 economy no say Ghana for ajatum adwuma baba krum mamunu menya adwuma aje sika baba krum ama mabunu so atima didi asempatia medman no asi betia tiefo nyina ne afo
yaba be ngapa se bi o aka che Ghana fo nyina so ye dwon fu onde de obi abeka bi on tehwe yes akoto aba ma no but a quick card am pese me omo mawie JHS omo senior high school maka fidi so say 4th December na omo na ebia na tifu ni pimpin ya ka say almost 500,000 candidates students na ko first year nko 500,000 nti anya bibia kwa Ghana ebebo omoka na enne yin so ye da you start program Ghana Enterprising Agency World Bank and then na first phase omukoma checks no ewo Accra eye Ghana fo a omu pese omu ye omu ankra adwuma ekoso omu asene kakra nipa ekono nyi nipa ketwa I believe say eye kakra Ghana ye nyanu ba bia pese edu but these are some of the things efa emabunu hu a na me ankasa nani ajepa na nani ajepa esanse eye adwuma sem nche bia mampanyi John Dramani ma freeze employment me mampanyi so ameki same pronouncement nti ankra adwuma is the way to go nti na oba education see these STEM schools eba eboa ensanu adwuma ni ade no nti I believe say kakra we will get there. You get it.
Madam was safe of course, and I know the media ministers are to form the negative. The media no, about maybe Mr. Mene, Dr. Morrison, of course, the NDC communications member for Ashanti region, and of its name, Maybe Command of Pay, the adorable, way so fantastic. So, and Henry, first time ever, but I think I love the way he is. Henry Nakupon Shabby Way, Pay also by NPP communication team member. Or somebody youth organizer, right? It's just so yes. Production crew for this morning as a PCM Koma Misiu, the director himself, Rasam Dabu Samson director for the show, Christian Marco Junior Uji, famous enemy a face off, and a woman Chidom MC producer Jake. Meeting Eddie Diane, doing him Jemfi, Quatina Kusia, eventually be a crowd. Watch that, have a good day. Bye.